Okay, so West Mountain High, we're back here for our fourth video. So in the first video, we talked about gratitude, what it is, why we should practice it. Remember that negativity bias and retraining our brain. Second video, we went deeper into the how to practice, how to notice, how to be aware, how to note the positive things around us to be grateful for, and who's responsible, and why, and the intent. The third video, we gave a few activities. So there was the just simple journaling what you're grateful for, the 3 good things. That was a 10-minute practice, but again, every day, just try to take 2 minutes to jot down 3 good things that happened today. And we watched that video, Nature, Beauty, Gratitude, with that activity, just to kind of spark something inside us. And then the other 2 activities were related to the Soul Pancake Experiment in Happiness video. And so that was writing a letter about our gratitude for a specific person and then delivering that letter to them, preferably reading it out loud to them face to face. But if that's not possible, other ways of getting that to them and just really making that gratitude go the next level. So what we're going to do now, this is basically a bonus video of taking a pre and post test of happiness, just for yourself to see if any of these activities made a difference. So just for fun, we're going to go through it. And this is taken from a PERMA test from Yale. So the link to this full test is a lot more intense than what we're going to do here. So I also encourage you to just check in. Taking these tests, it's an interesting thing and tool to just check in with ourselves. Just sometimes taking in and noting what our happiness and what our appreciation levels of different things are can help us start to be aware and noticing things. It's a practice in mindfulness in a way. So our first questions, so it's always going to be just take down a piece of paper and number them 0 to 10. So we're going to have 5 questions for before you do an activity. So hopefully you're watching this before you did one of those activities. If not, okay. So first question, how much of the time do you feel you are making progress towards accomplishing your goals? So just give yourself a score 0 to 10. Do you feel like you are never making progress, or do you feel like you're always? So 0 for never, 10 for always. So just put a number 1 through 5 and then tally up. And we're going to tally at the end. So right now, take a piece of paper, write 1 through 5, and this is number 1, and write 0 through 10, depending on. Okay? Question number 2. How often do you feel joyful? So number 2, how often do you feel joyful? From 0 to 10, never to always. Give yourself a score. Question 3. So question 3, how often do you achieve your goals that you set for yourself? 0, never, 10, always. So number 3, how often do you achieve your goals? 0, never, 3, always. Number 3, 10, always. Question number 4, to what extent do you receive help and support from others when you need it? 0, never, 10, always. And our last question, question number 5, in general, to what extent do you feel excited and interested in things? 0, never, 10, always. Okay, so this is your pre-test. So now, math time. It's like the only time math is involved in the things I do, I feel. So now you're going to tally up the number of your 5 questions, okay? So the max should be 50, the minimum is 0. So you should have a score somewhere between 0 and 50 right now for your pre-test. So hold on to that score and then go do one of the activities. And then afterwards, come back and just see if the score changes. Okay, so you can pause this. Or actually, no, I'm gonna break this into 2 videos. That's easier. So this is the end of our pre-test video, and I will now have a post-test video for you to come back. Okay, so thank you all, and learning this technology one step at a time.